Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappie by the lake, so check it out. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today for our appetizer, I got some Caprese salad skewers. I got nice fresh mozzarella, and then instead of the basil, I'm using spinach leaves today. We need a drink to go with our appetizer. I'm gonna make a raspberry Moscow Mule. So for a Moscow Mule, any good Moscow Mule, you need a copper mug full of ice. Now lately with my Moscow Mules, I've been looking for substitutes for ginger beer. Of course, ginger beer is the kick in the Moscow Mule. Today I found a nice ginger lime Perrier. So it's just gonna be a little bit more subtle. And so we'll start off with 2 ounces of vodka. And then I got some fresh lime. Just going to do the juice of a half lime. And we'll do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. And then I got some Chambord, which is a nice French raspberry liqueur. And then we'll do a little bit of raspberry flavored New York Seltzer, because it is a raspberry Moscow Mule. And then we're going to finish it off with this lime ginger Perrier. So not only does it have the ginger, but it has the lime in there. And it'll be a perfect substitute for ginger beer for my raspberry Moscow Mule. I got a nice garnish of raspberry and lime. And that's a raspberry Moscow Mule to go with my Caprese salad skewers. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. We'll just see you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie signing out. Bye-bye.